Om Sai Ram, Vanakkam, welcome to Grandma's class. In this video, we can see the exercises from page number 74 to 80 from Unit 1 Prose, Who Owns the Water? Term 3 English, Standard 6, Samacheer Kalvi. Already we have done separate videos for the lesson as section 1, section 2 and section 3. You can find the links in the description box. In section 1, you have true or false. Let's do that first. Put a tick for the correct and the into for the incorrect statements. A tiny bird looked for a place to lay her eggs. It is true. The land was wet and green. No, false. The little bird found a shallow hollow in the ground. True. The eggs hatched and the babies flew away. True. The pit was comfortable for the wild bear to sleep in. No. Earlier it was not comfortable. The wild boar made it comfortable. The wild boar got up from its day bed because it was disturbed by another boar. No, it was disturbed by hunger and it went out. So the last statement is false. In section 2, it is a fill in the blanks. Complete the sentences given below with words or phrases. The wild dogs came to the spot to catch the wild boar. The rains came and poured and poured. The whole earth smelled wet and fresh. The hole in the ground was filled with water. The buffalo wallowed in the hole. The hole became widened and grew big. In section 3, there are 5 questions. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Number 1. Why did the farmer have to travel far? ஏன் the farmer வந்து நிறைய தூரம் போக வேண்டியிருந்தது? The farmer had to travel far to fetch water for his thirsty crops. Number 2. What sight made the farmer thankful? A patch of green near his plot made the farmer thankful. Third question. Name the tools the farmer brought out. What did he do with them? The farmer brought pickaxe and spade. He cleaned the muddy area and made it a small pond. Number 4. Why did the crowd gather by the side of the pond? The crowd gathered by the side of the pond to listen to the priest chanting and to know what would happen. Last question. When did the richest farmer get upset? Why? The richest farmer got upset if he was not invited for anything which took place in the village. He might have expected to be special since he was the richest farmer in the village. Next one, choose the correct answer and write it in the blank. Number 1, the little bird broadened the hole with her claws. Number 2, the wild boar settled down, scraping the hole into a pit to have a good sleep. Number 3, the poor farmer's crop was meager. Take the correct answer. The boar slept until the fading sun told him it was time to get up. What does the phrase until the fading sun mean? Which means until evening. Number 2. The farmer was thankful at the sight of the verdant bowl because it was a pond of water. Number 3. They all stood around the little jewel of blue means they stood around the pond. Number 4. The dry earth soaked up the moisture as a hungry puppy laps up milk, which means the dry earth absorbed the water very quickly. Question C. Answer the following questions. Pick out the line which tells you about seasons. Which seasons are mentioned? The line, it rained without stopping for 3 days and 3 nights and the dry earth soaked up the moisture as the hungry pup laps up the milk, tells about the season. The seasons mentioned here are summer and rainy. Number 2. What happened to the hole in the ground after the rain? The hole in the ground collected the water that fell and the grass grew into brighter green around its edges. Number 3. Identify the sentence and the phrase which tells us that the story took place in summer. In summer months, he had to travel far to get water for his thirsty crops. This sentence tells us that the story took place in summer. The phrase is thirsty crop, which means the crops are in need of water. Question D. Fill in the blanks with words given in the box to make compound words. So the words are rain, coconut, coat, sail, fire. Number 1. We use a raincoat on a rainy day. Number 2. The toy sailboat danced on the pond. Number 3. We must drink tender coconut water in summer. Number 4. We can see a rainbow after summer showers. Clean the ashes out of the fireplace. Next one is collective nouns. Complete the following using their group names. Group names here refers to the collective nouns. A pack of wolves went hunting in the forest. The word pack is used as a collective noun for wolves. She bought a new pair of shoes for her birthday. A shovel of fish swam past our boat. A swarm of bees had settled on the mango tree. I ate a bunch of grapes. Next question H. Fill in the blanks with suitable linking words or conjunctions. Our team played well and won the game. She slipped badly, but she did not hurt herself. The box was heavy, so he could not lift it. Rani was late to school because she missed the bus. You can use a pen or pencil for writing. We have already done a separate video for conjunction. You may watch that video also for better understanding. Next one. Join the sentence of column A with B using the words given in the box. Again it's conjunction. We have to match the or two sentences to make a complete sense. The answers are given below. The clouds moved away and the sun came out. Velu thanked his friend because he helped Velu in time. It rained heavily but the match continued. Eat slowly or you will get choked. Hope this video is useful to you. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our Grandma's class. Thank you. Om Sai Ram.